Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you connect your Facebook to your TikTok here. So currently TikTok is not available in my country, so I cannot uh, do this in front of you, but I can guide you that how can you do the same. So we will just go to the Google and just search for the step. Like I will just describe you the step by which you can do it. Facebook and TikTok link. How to link TikTok to Facebook page. So just click on that. I will just tell you that there's a lot of option to do it. So these are the steps. Step one is to your Facebook page. You have to open your Facebook here and then edit information of the page, and simply you just have to copy the link of your TikTok profile on your Facebook and it will be linked to your account itself. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.